Weekends are a valuable time for relaxation and fun, and there are countless ways to make the most of them. You might consider activities like an escape room adventure, trying your hand at geocaching, or attending local performances to support up and coming bands. Exploring farmers markets, searching for nearby festivals, and discovering local cafes can also add excitement to your weekend. For those with a flair for creativity, community theater offers opportunities to audition or volunteer. Outdoor activities like hiking, tubing, and gardening allow you to connect with nature, while mini golf and bowling provide lighthearted fun with friends. Lastly, bird watching can turn into an enjoyable hobby that deepens your appreciation for wildlife. Overall, the key is to engage in activities that resonate with your interest and bring you joy.